Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Roma and I really hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to get ready for my friend's birthday party. So I just thought of shooting this video like how I get ready when I actually step out. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly start the video since I'm getting very late. So yeah, I'll just show you how I get ready and we'll talk in between. I'll just tell you how the product feels on my skin. I'm actually already dressed for the outing. It's just that I have to put on my makeup, so I thought of shooting it before doing any makeup. So I just have my skin prepped and let's quickly start the makeup. Since it's evening and it's just a birthday party and we are actually going to party, so I don't want to put a lot of makeup, so I'll keep it very quick, very simple and very easy. Also, it should not take more than 10 minutes of your time. So yeah, let's start. So I'm going to use this primer, Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. It gives a pink tint, so because I'm not going to prepare any base or so I'm just going to take advantage of this pink tint. So that's it. I have done my priming and you can see it gives a little bit of pink tint to my face. So थोड़ा सा face को already prep कर देता है for further makeup. And also I use this product particularly when I'm not going to put a lot of base on my face like foundation and concealer. I'm going to skip it all today, so that's why I'm using this primer. Otherwise I just go with any silicone based primer to fill in my pores. But क्योंकि ये थोड़ा pink tint भी देता है so it just makes my face looks a little more radiant, I would say. Much better. After this, I'm just going to quickly use this Lakme Lumi cream. I know I have talked about this a lot on my channel and I absolutely love this product. So like I said, I'm not going to create a base for my face, so मैं बस ऐसे radiant and glowy वाले products लगा रही हूँ that makes my skin look radiant and glowy and मुझे ज़्यादा उसमें effort भी ना करना पड़े. And that's it. You can see बहुत ही sheen सा glow आ गया है अभी मेरे face पे because of this Lumi cream. So it's a illuminating cream basically and it immediately provides a sheen, a little glow to your face. So again, it's very good if you are going for a light makeup kind of look, so you can absolutely use this product, or else you can use it the first product for preparing your base. Now after this, I'm just going to quickly use a BB cream. I have this Blue Heaven ka BB cream here that I'm going to apply. That's it. See how easy it's to blend a BB cream. उसमें बिल्कुल time नहीं लगता and it gives a very good finish also. So I mean when you have to skip your foundation and concealer, उसके लिए अगर आपके पास time नहीं है, so you can absolutely use any BB cream that you like. So BB cream actually आपके pigmentation को ऐसा तो cover बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करता, but बहुत ही बहुत light coverage देता है, but it makes your skin look prepped up and good. So yeah, BB cream is what I prefer the most when I'm not using any other base products. So that's it for the base. अब इससे ज़्यादा मुझे कुछ नहीं लगाना अपने face पे, I mean as a base. Now moving on to my eyebrows. Let me quickly fill my eyebrows. I'm done with my eyebrows. So मैंने बहुत ही light filling करी है, बहुत ज़्यादा filling भी नहीं करी है. Now again I'm just going to use this comb part and set my eyebrows to its place. For my eyes, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty का palette and इसमें ये जो white वाला color है, I'm just going to use this just to brighten up my eyes a little. और उसको मैं अपने eyelids पे लगा रही हूँ. And that's it. I know कोई effect जैसा effect नहीं दिखता कैमरा में, but actually it actually lightens up the eyelids थोड़ा सा because I have not used any concealer to conceal the dark spots जो भी थोड़े बहुत हैं in the upper eyelids. So yeah, and now after this I'm just going to quickly use this shade from the palette, very light. Just apply it थोड़ा सा crease पे, थोड़ा सा eyelids पे, just to define it, just to provide some warmth to my eyes. And that's it. कितना ही ब्राइटन लुक दे रहा है इन माई आईज, थोड़ा सा वार्मथ ऐड हो गया है इस ब्राउन शेड की वजह से दैट आई हैव यूज्ड एंड जो वाइट वाला आई शेडो यूज़ किया था उसकी वजह से इट हैज़ लाइटेंड अप. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस फिनिश. अभी फिनिश हुआ नहीं है एक्चुअली. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस ब्लू हेवन का ब्लू काजल है एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज़ इट एज एन आई लाइनर और उसको थोड़ा सा स्मच कर लेंगे. सॉरी गाइज, माई कैमरा स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग फॉर सम रीजन. सो दिस इज हाउ आई हैव अप्लाइड माई काजल. यू कैन सी. नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्विकली स्मच इट अ लिटिल and that's it, so that there are no harsh edges. बस उतना ही स्मच करना था. Now for my water lines I am going to use this one only as a काजल. पहले मैं इनको लगा लूँगी थोड़ा सा. And that's it. After this I am going to use this Maybelline Drama Gel again and उससे मैं ये जो ब्लू वाला काजल लगाया है लोअर वाटर लाइन में उसके नीचे ये ब्लैक वाला लगा रही हूँ. Like this. So that's it with the काजल. मैंने लोअर वाटर लाइन एंड अपर वाटर लाइन दोनों में ही काजल फिल कर लिया है. एंड नाउ वी आर डन विद आवर आई मेकअप. मस्कारा लगाना बचा है, दैट आई विल अप्लाई इन द एंड. So eye makeup is done, eyebrows are done. I'm just going to quickly do my blush and lipstick and then we'll be good to go with the look. So eye makeup करने के बाद somehow I feel कि makeup already हो चुका है. Now अब ज़्यादा time नहीं लगने वाला. My blush I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty का palette और इसमें ये जो pink shade है I'm just going to apply it as a blush. बहुत ही लाइट ब्लश लगाना है मुझको. तो दिस कलर इज़ वेरी पिगमेंटेड. यू नीड टू डस्ट ऑफ द एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट वरना बहुत ज़्यादा ही लग जाता है. That's it. बहुत ही लाइट सा ब्लश रखना था मुझको. सो आई थिंक दिस इज जस्ट आप्ट फॉर दिस लुक. इससे ज़्यादा लगाऊंगी सो इट वोंट गो विद द लुक. बहुत ही हाईलाइट करेगा उसको एंड आई डोंट रियली वांट दैट. आई डोंट वांट माई अटेंशन ऑन माई चीक्स. आइज़ के लिए मैंने मेकअप इसलिए किए हैं सो दैट द अटेंशन ऑफ माई मेकअप शुड गो ऑन माई आईज. तो कमिंग टू माई लिपस्टिक आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस Lakme 925 का लिपस्टिक है. दिस इज इन द शेड Maroon Mix. सो या दिस इज द लिपस्टिक आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़. And that's it. Okay, let me quickly apply the mascara. वो तो मैं भूल गई. Back in just a minute क्योंकि मेरा छोटा मिरर टूट गया है. So I have to go and apply mascara मिरर में देखकर. So I just quickly apply and I'll be back. And that's it guys. This is the final look. So off camera मैंने mascara भी लगा लिया and also I have highlighted the inner corners of my eyes. So I feel now my makeup looks really great. So I'm totally happy with the look I have created. It's also going with this outfit जो मैंने एक्सेसरी पहनी. I mean I just have this pendant and ये earrings and that's it. So yeah, and that's all. Now I'm ready. Surprisingly I'm ready before time. I mean 10 minutes before what I had decided to step out. But yeah, good. अभी कैब आने में भी उतना टाइम लग जाएगा. So yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this and I totally love creating this look. So please try out this look next time whenever you are stepping out. You will totally fall in love with this look. And the products, like इतना minimal products use करके if you get this good look, like why not? Why not to look good when you can actually look this great? I am somehow very happy with the look that turned out. So I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Until then, take good care of yourself and your loved ones. I love you all. Bye bye.